upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'd really appreciate if you could like and share and comment. I love reading the comments. I always try to respond to every single comment. So today I'm doing a wig review from the Mayde beauty brand, and this is a 6-inch deep lace wig, and her name is Kennie, and she's in the color FF Hot Choco or Choco or Cocoa, what have you. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees, comes in a lot of colors. The color names that she comes in and the models on these Mayde wigs remind me of Free Tress Equal, and Free Tress Equals my complete jam. Complete jam. So I'm excited to see what this chick's all about. You can see that it's a long 6-inch parting. I got her from Wig Types for $22.49, so let's get her. So this is her. Look at the color on that. It's so pretty. The curls are gorgeous. I don't usually use these like large curly units. Nice parting. 2 combs set right tight next to the part. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. Oh, just look at that coloring all the way through. I really love that. Okay, I'm excited to get her on, and then we'll see what we're working with. Oh, okay. Oh my. Oh my. I'm liking it so far, actually. I apologize for like my totally 80s, totally 90s situation, but it's hot AF. Okay, so where the ear tabs are, and they're bendable ear tabs, so that's nice. Where the ear tabs are, she's definitely a left-sided part, which I rocks with. Oh my, I'm gonna love this chick. All right, let me get her together and then we'll talk. Yay! I think this chick is so pretty. The color is amazing. She wasn't that hard to get together. I just really like to, especially with the lace front, I just like to set the hairs down so you can't see, you know, I'm sorry, not with the lace front, with a lace parting, so you can't really see anything. Parting space is really good. I didn't really have to open that up. You could kind of leave the curls the way they were. I just used the comb instead of the brush just to separate them a little bit, but like not too much. Wig cap is comfortable. Wouldn't say it's overly big or small, so it's average. This color is stunning though. Let's look at her from the back. Oh my gosh, yes. If you have natural curly hair, or you're looking for something that is natural curly, I think this is a great wig. It is a sort of a yaki texture, but it's a lighter yaki texture. It's like those ones from Janet Collection that were like protein infused. It does feel like that, so it feels yaki. There's a thick density. This is all the hair to the front, so there's a lot of hair. This is not a summer wig, I'm telling you that right now. Okay, but I adore this wig, and I'm actually going to set her on a wig head so that I can wear her to work tomorrow. That's how much I adore her. So yeah, I love this wig. I definitely recommend it. This coloring is beautiful. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would really love to have you. If you are one of my subbies, thank you so much. Is there another wig from this Mayde brand that you'd like to see me review? Please put that down below. If you have her, let me know, and let me know what color you have and if you like her. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.